Let's get to mixing. First, let's add a brick of cream cheese. Because we're trying to go for more of a gelato-like type of ice cream, I tweaked my formula just a little bit to lower the fat content from the full fat heavy cream and increase the half and half. So we're going to use a cup and a half of half and half and 3/4 of a cup of the heavy cream. Next, we'll add 3/4 of a cup of our sweetener. I'm using an allulose blend that has monk fruit and stevia, including allulose. 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Lemon zest of 2 whole lemons. This is what's going to make, hopefully, that Amalfi lemon flavor come out. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, fresh squeezed if possible, and a pinch of sea salt. Blend this together. We're going to check the flavor. Oh, that's nice. Ooh. I prefer a little more lemon, so I'm going to adjust the flavor by adding a little bit more. Oh, that's better.
Okay.
Oh, that's really good. My taste tester, what do you think? Nice, huh?
That's very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we're going to add the limoncello here at the end. I've got 3 tablespoons. If you don't have this, you can completely skip it and just add the vodka, which will help the scoopability of the ice cream. We're gonna throw this in the freezer for about an hour just to let it get nice and cold, and then we'll come back and churn. How's that?
That's really good.
If you enjoyed this recipe, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.